Hi, Internet. So it's been like
couple months.
5 months since we've tried touch and brake stuff on Penny. This is a brand new. We made them order it.
Because they gave us another new one and it was used out of the box. Well, they gave us a new one and we opened it up and it was used. I think we had that in probably one of our last
Yeah, I think
videos.
So
This one's all new, never been used.
we can't mess it up because we have a vise now. So for fire Penny up for the first time in 4 months.
Yeah, runs good. We had to figure out why it wouldn't start because we didn't have the ground hooked up. And we've completely forgot where we were at on it.
I forgot how quiet it is with these mufflers.
Oh, that's too good. Hot rods in wintertime.
Yeah, it feels good. It's a hot rod. The seat's not bolted down, so when you gunned it, it like woo.
All it took was 5 months break from brakes to get our head straight, apparently.
Get over the frustration that was the first go with these brakes.
Yeah.
We bled for days.
On days.
We were a whole week of just bleeding brakes and trying different things, but yeah, this time take a break, and now that we know that she runs and drives, probably back apart to re-refine some things.
Yep. Cab stuff. Morning, Lena.
Alright.
What are you building?
Mocking up our pedal thing. Assemblies.
Arts and crafts.
Yeah. Arts and crafts. All the stuff that you never ever do in life. Is the stuff you do the most in life.
So like we said before, we budgeted up the ratio on the pedal, so that's why. So now we're redesigning for more comfortability and.
Wasn't our ratio was off? We just didn't give enough room for enough swing.
Yeah.
And now this redesigned idea will give you a little more. It keeps the pedal ratio pretty much exactly where we need it, but it gives you a little more swing. This is going to act as a bell crank, and then the master cylinder rod will come out of that hole right there, this one. So that swings a little, that means that'll swing a little farther than what this is swinging. So it drops the actual pedal ratio down, but we want a little bit higher pedal ratio to make up for that. So our final is still, I think, 6:1, or close to 6:1 pedal ratio. But this will allow the master cylinder to travel about 1 1/8 with 6 inches of throw. So, or 1 inch with 6 inches of throw, I should say.
Yeah.
So this should fix it. Should.
Shit. That's why we're building out of the cardboard instead of metal this time.
Yeah, we're gonna do it the cheap way first, instead of getting fancy parts machined and then finding out they're useless.
Yeah, that's okay. Here you go.
Comes with gaskets, eh?
Yeah.
Damn.
I was gonna pull the turbo right out, and I was like, "Oh, it'll fit."
Sweet. Comes in a nice bag.
Yeah.
It looks legit. Nice. Look at that billet wheel. So shiny.
It's gonna make all the right noises.
Yeah.
You should see Doggo. Hi, dude. Long time no see, dear. Hi. You're so mean, huh? A big mean Roddy.
What's this for, though? Even comes with a little wrench for taking the top off.
Mm-hmm.
So far, 10 out of 10.
Price is right.
Then we gotta talk about these. Some people are gonna say we went too big. And we did. So we might lose a little bit with these because we went 1 7/8 headers, but they leave room to grow. And the price was right. And they were local. So
It'll be okay.
I'm happy with them. They look like they got good.
Yeah, the welds are really nice.
Yeah. Those are perfect. These custom spark plug wires, because
Those are not gonna work.
those ain't gonna work.
Don't lick stuff. Hey, don't do that. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're a little shorter than I thought they were gonna be.
Yeah, that's not that bad though.
No.
That's good clearance though, like from the valve cover and stuff. They don't fit too tight.
No. No, they're good. Like, it's just banging off of here.
Yeah.
Iron it. We didn't film anything.
We need more content. And we never film content.
Yeah. We also learned a lot about how lifts work today, over and over again. It's winter outside.
It's cold.
Frames loaded on a sandblaster, so I don't have to grind it for hours. 10 hours.
You fill the shop with the rust dust.
That's bright over there. Sandblasted frame. Trying to take pictures with the engine in the way. We figured it's $300 cash and saved us from grinding all that rust off of the frame.
Looks way better.
Yeah. And it's a fresh spot to start with welding the roll cage to it. It's just, yeah. Lane's doing photography stuff over there. Yeah, we just wanted a fresh start so that
This way we don't have to, we know the frame's good now because we got around sandblast them. We know there's no hidden rust spots in it.
Yep.
We have super clean
Spot for welding.
spot for welding. Everything, our welds can be good. We don't have to buff. So we're gonna probably build it, and then we'll paint it
Up and on the lift.
after we're gonna get the engine mocked in, transmission mount, all that stuff mocked up,
Yeah.
and then take the cap back off again, paint frame.
Yep. We think we're gonna end up with working power steering on this one.
Yeah,
We're gonna try.
We're gonna try and just make use of the
Stock rack.
stock rack. Power steering, because it all worked.
Because there's lots of room where we mocked up. So
Yeah, so we should have the room to actually have power steering this time.
for the cage, because the frame is so small, we're gonna build a little pedestal here and here. I think is where it has to be.
Yeah, it'll be about here. It'll
Yeah.
be kind of shortly behind the cab mount
Yeah.
is where our outriggers for our frame will be.
Yeah. And then our runners will come to the back.
We're running to come to the back, and I don't think we're gonna box the whole frame, but where we put our runners, we're probably gonna box that section
Just for some.
forward and back, just
Yeah.
for some added support, and we
Excuse me.
might add a cross member.
Just for the sake of stiffness, without boxing the frame. Like, it's pretty stout.
Yeah, it's not that thin of a frame, really. It's
Like, there's this. There's going to be a trans cross member. This. That's going to be there. We might put one back here over the center. But we'll, like, if worst comes to worst, we box the frame in.
yeah,
And we'll know after.
that's super clean now.
Yeah. Look at us go. Risky habits,
Doing things-
sandblast.
Doing things the right way this time compared to Chip.
Wait, we're not spray bombing the cab?
I mean, we could have got it powder coated too, but that was extra money.
Well, like, yeah. And then we're gonna grind some off to weld on it.
Yeah, we're just gonna undercoat it.
Yeah. It'll just get rock guarded, basically.
Yeah, pretty much. Easiest when it's fresh now.
Yeah. It's all about looks, baby.